Today, I am showing you the Trio Dry Manicure Kit, my go-to set for tackling everything from thick and overgrown cuticles to the thin and detailed ones. This kit includes 3 of my favorite original diamond bits: the small tapered barrel, the safety skyver, and the micro taper, all designed to give you control, precision, and versatility. The Trio was created to be able to do any type of skin, whether that is overgrown or callous or more sensitive. These 3 bits are a great place to start. So let me walk you through these. First, the small tapered barrel. That is my go-to bit. You're gonna lay it flat and you're gonna run it anywhere between 7,000 RPMs up to 15,000 RPMs. Your speed is gonna be increased when you're actually tracing out that overgrown cuticle. Here, I'm more just showing you the very basics at 8,000 RPMs, getting the dead skin cells off of the nail plate, gently taking that diamond tip that's flat and pushing it into the proximal fold very gently so that I can lift the cuticle up off the nail plate and push that proximal fold so that I'm just lifting up that edge of dead tissue that I'll be able then to exfoliate with a ball or go in with my nippers. The safety skyver is for basic cuticle work. When you're not spending a whole lot of time on doing any dry cuticle work, but you still want to have a beautiful, cleaned up, well-prepped nail plate, this would be your go-to. That rounded end is designed to be a safe manicure, not being too pointy, not being flat, but being able to just gently push into that proximal fold. So if your client is a little more sensitive and you want more speed because you're doing like a 45-minute gel manicure, this would be my go-to. The safety skyver is one of our OGs. We have been making this tool since the 80s and it has been a top favorite still today. And lastly, there's the micro taper. If you're looking to take the basic route just a little bit farther and do a little more detailed cleanup, start here with the micro taper. You can always add additional bits onto this to get a deeper, cleaner look, but the micro taper is excellent for getting into those little hard to reach areas called the sulcus or the sinus area. Now, don't go too far. If you feel like you're overworking these corners, we have a rounded pointy end, but if you're really trying to create a high-end look, starting with the micro taper would be your first bet, and then go in with using a different flame, which is a whole nother tool. We're just talking about the Trio kit here. But no, if you want a little bit more detailed, go in with the micro taper. You're gonna use all 3 of these bits flat to the nail plate. The RPMs are going to vary depending on the cuticle type, and you're gonna use your forward and reverse techniques. So if you're a righty, when you're working in forward, you're gonna go down the left side. When you are going in reverse, you're going to be running down the right side, always going against the grain. We actually want to catch the dead tissue and live tissue and pull it back off of the nail plate. Keep the bits flat and never use these tools together. One more time, do not use these together. Don't start with the small tapered barrel and then go to the skyver and then the tapered. They are meant to be used as your starting bit, and then if you want to create a higher end look, you add a different bit. So think this is the baseline. No 3 of these bits should be used together. Now, this is what I encourage you to do, is ask yourself, is my client sensitive and do I want to go fast? Then I would use the safety skyver. Does this client want something a little more detailed? Well, if they're not sensitive, then I'm gonna go in with my micro taper. And if somebody walks in and they're overgrown, then I'm definitely gonna go with my small tapered barrel. These are the questions you should be asking yourself for about efficiency and what RPMs I should be working at. I'm a big fan of starting off slow and then always increasing your RPMs if you're not getting the results that you're looking for. So in closing, don't feel overwhelmed. The Trio kit has something for everyone. The flat top, the round top, and the point. This is your basic entry level of creating a beautiful, cleaned up, dry manicure. Let's go, don't make it complicated. And that's it. That's how you use the Trio Dry Manicure Kit for flawless cuticle work. With just 3 diamond bits, you can handle just about any type of cuticle, from your overgrown, from your soft, and your sensitive. Prep every client with confidence. You can shop the Trio Dry Manicure Kit and all of our professional Efile tools at ericasata.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with another nail tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. If you're still struggling with prep or want more confidence with your service, come learn with me. I teach live and online classes covering topics from dry manicuring to how to become a beauty educator. Plus, you'll also find other Erica-sponsored classes and certifications covering gel application and Efile shaping. Get connected, grow your skill set, and fall in love with the process again. Head on over to Erica's ATA and see where I'll be teaching next.